What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we got a special video. Traditionally, you know, we do our pickups, but today we're starting a brand for $5. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on Fiverr and we're gonna pay professional graphic artists to make something completely random or loosely based on like a reference. Then we're gonna have Fernando's intern take all those graphics and actually make them into clothing. Then we're gonna unbox it and see what kind of brand we can make for $5. Let's get into it. Here we go. What is up, everyone on YouTube? Today we are doing a little bit of a gag video. What's on your hand? It's bleeding, bro. Can't stop at this point. We're gonna go on Fiverr. We're gonna find talented graphic artists. We're gonna give them absurd graphics to make, or basically whatever comes to our head. We're gonna not look at the graphics. We're gonna get the clothing made. Yeah, we're gonna wear it. You know, we're making a collection off Fiverr. Okay, so we're on Fiverr. Time to look up graphic artists. Dude has a lot of reviews. Simple design, Photoshop and Illustrator work, JPG. Boom, $5. Dude looks pretty legit. Hello. I would like a snake wrapping around the chest. Snake is to be green.
Purple tongue.
Mickey Mouse should be present. Also, can it say bushes? What is with this thing? It's like all gooed up. It's like sticky. It's like a bunch of goop in this.
That's the Mac keyboard.
You've been doing something to this thing. Click it up and send. Custom illustration for t-shirt.
That one looks crazy.
This dude goes hard. You want to start it? What can you think of?
An Essentia water. The numbers 187.
In Times New Roman. And an iceberg.
And then it says, save the sea turtles.
Think that good? Is that a completed graphic?
I'm thinking like a huge ass Essentia bottle.
Also, this idea was taken from Max Mofo. He has a podcast, and they basically did this for their merch. What the heck?
Yeah, let's put a melted cheeseburger on.
Look at this. Whoa! Pickle Rick on the Titanic.
I kind of like the quesadilla stingray idea.
It's gotta have some kind of text. Baltimore. Cent.
Oh, $2.
$2, but this one sucks. This has to be like all font. I have a perfect idea for this. Okay, so someone left this comment. Vintage clothing from a flea market, entry-level designer pieces, line art tattoos, and following the trend of looking homeless, ironically, unironically, to pose as an individual with fashionable, anti-fashion, Pacific Northwest tastes. Edgy, cultureless Instagram 20-something-year-olds in 2020.
It should just say that in an elegant font.
Step into tomorrow, feel like yesterday.
A picture of Gary V behind bars, and it says, free Gary V. He didn't do it.
What did he do?
I don't know.
He didn't do it. Winky's face. Oh, it's cooking. Ooh. That's fire.
Can we put like Sanji's face on there? Sanji.
On the Pirates of the Caribbean ship, hugging Millie Bobby. And then the Grateful Dead Bears. We'll give this dude one. Chevron gas station logo. Jeffrey Epstein banana. Truman Show. So we got like 5 designs being worked on. Probably gonna take a day or so. After that, we're gonna have Fernando's intern send them off to be sampled. You guys in a week. Hopefully we did something good. Okay, so we decided we want to do a couple more graphics. We want to do some good ones, not all just completely terrible ones. I think we should remake some like iconic graphics.
Like what?
Let's do like pastel.
What?
The pastel graphic?
Pastel?
Pastel. Stop typing, dude. You're not typing shit. What the fuck? Hey. F you. We're doing the pastel graphic. What should it say?
Harambe?
Harambe Premium?
Yeah, Harambe Premium.
Absolutely terrible.
Scent. Why don't we do the Vetma logo,
Okay.
like the rock and roll one, but instead make it say V-Loan.
So it just says V-Loan. Maybe it should say like VVVLLLOONEE. V-Loan. You like that? The Vetmont heavy metal logo that says V-Loan. That's an actual pig bag.
Big. Why are you filming like that?
We're quarantined right now. This took 2 weeks. This took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. I really hope it was worth it. We haven't seen any of it. Oh, you gotta stock up.
Crunchy cinnamon squares.
Trevor thinks we should sell some of this stuff and just
No,
cash in,
I did not
recoup
say
our
that.
losses. You wanna open it?
Sure.
Wait, do either of you even remember the stuff we made?
No.
What the fuck is that?
Why
is there the white?
What the
The
fuck?
PNG's so bad.
Since 1908.
It looks like a really bad tattoo. Or how many likes for you to get that tattooed on your back?
We'll forget that happened.
I was honestly not that bad.
Oh my, this is the one that I said.
Literally disgusting.
What the
It's
free
disgusting,
Gary
yo.
Vee?
This is Gary Me. You know Me's from We?
Yeah.
Yes, dude.
Got it on. I don't know what size it is. It's large somehow. Like, bro.
This one looks pretty hard. What does that even say? VV loan.
You gave it V loan, really long.
The blank feels pretty nice. What is this? Gildan Heavy Blend. Unreleased V-loan for sale.
The font is a lot different. I remember this. That's pretty clean. That's kind of hard.
What's the 187 for?
How do they just print this?
I think that's the best one.
Dude, what the? Wait, what is this?
Yeah, that one is fire.
Banana?
Banana with.
Very dated meme.
No, I
Look at this dude. I designed that one.
I think that I made this.
Yeah, make the tag, design that clothing collection for $5 during quarantine.
Kind of sick.
Look at the dude though.
What?
So
dedicated.
shit. Look at the hoop.
Like that thin print. That is one line.
That is big.
Yo, bro, what's that say?
There's more.
What is this?
Baltimore.
Hey, that's kind of clean.
Is there supposed to be Mickey Mouse on it? That's Mickey?
Wait, where's the quesadilla?
Right there. Brenda, you want to throw that on?
No.
Yo, look at the Born to Ride. It's
Trevor.
a great comment though.
No way.
The Grateful Dead with the pirate ship.
Where's Sanji?
He's there. Yo, but how do you
Wow.
look?
The whole screen print's like a black square. Sanjeev and Millie Bobby, bro.
What is
That's the last
That was a
one.
great video.
Do we sell this stuff?
Based on my recent experience with dropshipping, I don't think I should sell.
That's what happens when you put business first.
You start wearing beanies with Harambe on your chest.
All this stuff is really,
Good.
this is
See,
the
it's-
definition of like waste. I mean, the graphics, you know, some of them are like, yeah, some of them are like, no. Well, that was the entire video. We conceptualized the graphics, we had the clothing made, and we saw the clothing. Honestly, I don't know what I was expecting from a video like this. It all kind of came out okay, kind of cringy and bad. But, you know, it was only $5. You know, it was an interesting video. So, I don't know if you guys enjoyed it. Let me know. This video took way too long to make, about 3 weeks. But I'm planning on having a video out in the next week or so, and it won't be this bad. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. My name is Jacob. Peace out, everyone. Take care.